Now let's check out the workflow canvas. The workflow canvas is really where I'd say 80% of the automations really happen in Agent. So here you can drag in different nodes. Each node's got, a dozen or so different tools built in it. So there's hundreds of different tools that you can use to create and chain together automations just through a simple drag and drop system. So the way it works is you drag in a trigger. So in this case, we've got a Slack AI chatbot agent that we built here. So we take in we receive a message from this channel, and then that will produce some outputs. We use those outputs to pipe into this agent chat, and it actually chats with an agent that we created. And here's the message, and then that produces its own outputs that then we pipe back to Slack. So in 3 super simple nodes, we've created an entire AI Slack chatbot agent. So it's a very powerful system. It's got a ton of different options we can look at. Some very complex, others a bit less complex, but all powerful nonetheless. And you can use all of your tools. You can define your own custom tools, which I'll show you how to do in just a bit. But yeah, so this is the workflow canvas. You can use AI to generate workflows. You can save, you can share, you can export, you can import, all the good stuff. And then we've also got Annie here on the side, and she can help you. She can analyze workflows, she can help you build workflows, she can do the whole shebang. So yeah, so this is it. So this is the workflow canvas page.